Wow, the trees are so nice. Actually, it doesn't feel like I'm close to the metro, to be honest, because there's so much greenery, so many hilly areas, sloping areas, and then all of a sudden, bam, you have a modern house and lot right here. And I can't wait to show you guys because this is a really amazing find. It has its own waterfalls, and it actually has waterfalls right in front of it. It's so cool. Hold on to your seats. We're gonna go on a house tour. This is in Antipolo. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the house tour because this is a very modern home in the middle of this lush scenery, and it even has waterfalls out in front. Let me just park this. There we go. And alright. Wow, just look at that facade. Okay, where's my Alcocé? Alright, there it is. So, before we go in, make sure you guys hit like and click subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So this is the facade and it's facing so much lush greenery and a waterfall, as I mentioned earlier. Hopefully there's a B-roll in there somewhere. And then here, there's also waterfalls, but of course it's man-made. And you'll see later where that cascades from. So you have your stairs in the middle, and then you have here your 4-vehicle car port. 2 of which are open, and then the other 2 are covered. Oh, hello! Hey, doggos. So you have here the maintenance for the swimming pool, so very easily accessible. And then here at the back, we have a utility area that's enclosed. So, hello, you're so cute. So we're not gonna go there anymore. We don't want to get in their space. But again, there's a staff quarters in there, some storage, and oh nga, ayun, cute, and toilet and bath. Okay, we're gonna go now. Sorry. So we're gonna need to go through the main entrance, of course. Okay. So obviously you can fit bigger vehicles in here. Kung sobrang laki ng vehicle, maybe you can fit 3. But as of right now, we can fit 4, even 5, if you include the big bike. Okay, so here we have the steps, which have solar lights. So these are the solar panels, and then obviously LED lights for that effect at night. And then we have a closer view of the waterfalls. Then as we climb up here, you will see where it connects to. And you have this, you have an infinity pool. And this is the front of your house. This is the main entrance, which are just sliding doors. You're in a very secure and exclusive subdivision here in Antipolo. And you have that view. Granted, at this level, it's just lush greenery. But still, like no neighbors in sight. It's amazing that this modern house is here. And I guess that's the reason why the design is like this, right? To make the most out of all of this natural greenery. We have an infinity pool. And you can just chill out in a nice afternoon or morning or evening. So you have access to the side of the house on either side, but we're not gonna go there anymore. Let's just go through the main entrance. Let me just show you that there is a half a floor up over there, which we will get to later. Just try to keep the balcony in mind. And this, since it's open, leads to the living area, which is basically a sunken seating area. And it's nice because when you're sitting here, again, your view is that, the one behind John and what you have just seen. And then everything else from here is open. You can see your living areas. So this area is sort of your receiving area. That's where the balcony is. So technically, you could use this as the main entrance talaga. So this is where you can put your console, your receiving, such as this, and have the sliding doors closed. But again, if you were entertaining guests, you'd probably go through that door, right? And then once you go in here, well, you have access to several areas, but let me show you this one first. So this is the den or office. So you have a lot of space and a lot of storage on either side. I love that it's glass. You can still see the items, but it still looks neat. Then right next to the office, we have here bedroom number 1. Or right now it's currently being used as the entertainment room / playroom. But if you needed a bedroom here, this is the perfect granny room, right? Since it's on the ground floor. It does not have an ensuite, but again, it's still on the ground floor. So it's nice as a guest bedroom or again, granny bedroom. Then you have windows that lead to the backyard. So here in the middle portion, we'll get to this later, okay? You have the main stairs, but right in front of this, or the main stairs rather, we have the toilet and bath that is guest accessible. So you have your shower area, your sink, and your toilet. And although I say this is guest accessible because it's on the ground floor and literally your guests can access it, it is also the toilet and bath for bedroom number 1, aka the guest bedroom. Okay, so you have a door over here. Take note of that. That's gonna lead us to the backyard. For now, let's check out this area. So if you climb up on this side of the sunken living area, you will be led to the dining area, which again has a view of the infinity pool as well as the greenery. So it just, even if the area is open, it still feels segmented. Not because of the walls. Someone's trying to steal the car. And not because of the walls or lack thereof, right? But because of the levels. There are so many levels in the ceiling, on the floor, that it makes you feel like these are specific areas. So here we have the kitchen with an island counter and then an L-shaped counter over there and storage. And I don't know, there's just something about it visually. It's so clean, it's so neat, but it's so clearly squared off na ito yung kitchen, yun yung dining, that's the living, etc. So visually it's very neat. Okay, right next to the kitchen, let me turn on the light, we have the daily kitchen. It's also very neat, very modern. So you have a U-shaped counter space over here with your stove and lots of storage. And actually, this is quite spacious, and mind you, high ceiling din siya. So if you needed to cook more, let's just go with aromatic foods, this would be the place to do it. That way you don't let the entire house smell like tuyo or something. What's your favorite Filipino breakfast? Comment down below. Right, so you also, from here, you also have access to the backyard. So there are more dogs. So you don't want to go We're gonna try to not get into their space too much, but this is the backyard. We have stairs. We can actually go back in here. We're so sorry. You have stairs that lead back down to the carport. And then the door from earlier that will lead you back to the main stairs. And now the main stairs, let's check this out. Solid planks of wood for the steps, and then glass as your handrail. So you're not really going to use it as a handrail anyway, because the steps are nice and wide and solid that you don't really need to hold on to anything. Right, onto the second floor. So technically, the living spaces are only 2 floors, and then third floor na yung carport with a service area. But it feels like it's only 2 floors, which is a good thing. And everything just feels nice and bright, maliwalas, because everything is white. You have so much natural light, and everything is high ceiling that it feels large and cavernous, but still cozy. And I don't know about you, but I really, really like that. Okay, so clearly, hello, it's a mirror. There is a bedroom here, but we'll save that one for last because that is the master bedroom. We'll head to this area first. So in here, we have a hallway, and behind this door, let me turn on the lights, we have bedroom number 2. So you have this much space. All of the bedrooms here can fit king-sized beds like this one. You already have your built-ins, which go all the way up to the ceiling. That way you don't have to worry about dust settling in there, in the nooks and crannies. You have enough space for your vanity, and then you have a sliding door that leads out to a square balcony. And of course, you can just open this up and close the screen just to let the air flow. Oh, excuse me. And then this room has an ensuite, toilet and bath, with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. And then across this one, we have bedroom number 3. I love this room though. And can you guess why? It's because you have super high ceiling and you have clerestory windows almost all around. It follows the shape of the roof, which is slanted, and that's the reason why it's higher over there than it is on this area. And I don't know, it just has so much light. I love it. On top of that, or rather below that, you can open these sliding doors that will lead you out to the balcony. So while they're closed, they act as windows, letting in light, right? But if you wanted to open it up and entertain some friends here in the bedroom, it's gonna be an amazing time, especially at night or when it's cool. And then again, the bedroom can fit a king-sized bed. You have space for whatever it is that you want to put in here. You have your built-ins, and then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath, with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Even this toilet and bath is really high ceiling, and also comes with a clerestory window. Okay, and then at the end of the hallway, you have a glass door that again leads out to the square balcony that we saw earlier. All right, so from here, this is what you will see. It's kind of cool how you can see the master bedroom from here, right? I mean, it's up to you if you want to put curtains over it, but it's pretty cool. Now here, we have this open, very open hallway that will lead to the master bedroom. Hello. So as you open the door, you have here some solihia details, some shelving, storage above and below. And then in here, just like with the other bedroom, we have a lot of natural light. And that is the view. It also has its own balcony, which you can access via the sliding doors. And of course, it has an ensuite. So here we have frosted glass for the door. When we go in, this is what will welcome you. So you have a bathtub, his and hers sinks, an enclosed shower space, a toilet, your built-in wardrobe, and an island counter that features whatever it is that you want to feature in here, inclusive of the solihia detail here, just to add that color and texture to an otherwise very modern and white house. I love it. It's so neat looking. Perfect contrast with what you see outside, which is a lot of natural elements. And it's in Antipolo. So alam mong malamig yung hangin. And when you walk out here, you can see the swimming pool rippling. That's super nice. Someone took the car. Okay, time for our recap. Okay, so you have 561 square meters of floor area and 521 square meters of lot area. 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and a 4-vehicle carport. You have a utility area, you have a den or office here, receiving area. And what's really cool, as I mentioned earlier, is that you have so many levels to this house, whether it's the ceiling or the sunken living area. It's just so visually appealing and physically relaxing, actually. Probably in part thanks to the fact that you are, again, in Antipolo, in a very high up and exclusive subdivision where you see nothing else but trees and your swimming pool and the waterfalls just beyond it. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.